Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 11. I just wanted to check in and give you a couple of updates on some items. We are officially done presentations. Everybody that had presentations left to turned them in yesterday. And I have already graded them, and everyone did a phenomenal job with the presentations. I am amazed at how smoothly everything went. And really happy with the quality. So thank you and kudos to all of you for that. Lastly, this week, this week we have a reflection. So just make sure that you're paying attention to your assignments. Also, don't forget a lot of you still have the second process recording to turn in that has not been turned in yet. And quite honestly, off the top of my head, I forget the due date. But I just don't want you to forget that. We've got about 4 weeks left of field. And I don't want you guys to get distracted. It's going to go very quickly. And there's some big items like the process recordings that are due. The other thing is I went in. I know there have been some issues with some of you with the peer-to-peers. And I went in both. I have a different view than you guys. So I went in through my view and found all the peer-to-peers that I could find. And then I went in through modules because apparently there were weeks 4 and 5, there was an opportunity to do peer-to-peer through the module part, but not through my view. So I did go in through modules, and I did find those, and I've updated the peer-to-peer grades today. So what you see as of today reflects as current. If you disagree with that, then you need to reach out to me and explain to me where I can find your peer-to-peers. Because I tried both views, and that's the total I came up with. Lastly, like I mentioned earlier, we have 4 weeks left of field. So this is about the time where you all should be starting to you always talk about termination with clients, and they always know that that this is not a forever thing, whether you're a student or a working professional. But this week, really, you have about 4 weeks left, so you really want to start heavily talking to your clients about how you're going to terminate the case. Talk to your supervisors about how they want you to terminate your cases, and really begin the termination process. If you have any questions about that or concerns about that, please don't hesitate to reach out to me about it. And lastly, if you have not had a site visit from me this semester, or we have not had a conversation, you really need to reach out to me so that we can kind of have a check-in, so that does not affect your passing the semester. I think there may be one or two of you out there that we've not talked. So just wanted to put that out there. Other than that, please everyone stay cool. I know I'm in New Jersey on the East Coast. A lot of you are in New York. Someone's in Vegas, but you're used to the heat all the time. But I know on the East Coast over here, we're very hot right now. So please try and stay cool, and stay hydrated. And yeah, so we're just going to ride these 4 weeks out. It's going to be quick, fast, probably a little intense. And also just remember, just like last semester, the final grades are due very quickly after field is done. So I need for you all to get your timesheets and everything in that last week of field. Please try not to delay it. And if there's going to be a delay, you need to let me know. Alrighty. And if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate. I look forward to hearing from you. And have a great week. Thanks.